everyone. This is Shitesh Bhattacharya and welcome to Peace Lifestyle. Yet another video, and today we're going to talk about maturity. So before starting that, let me tell you where I am right now. I'm at my old office, not my last one, but a pretty old one. So I worked here for around 6 months. This was kind of my company. So yeah, I'm at somewhere in Gurgaon. If you're around, yep. Hey guys, so this is kind of my third attempt at this video. Why? Because I already made this video twice and I kind of fucked it up because there were some reasons and I kind of fucked it up. So I'm actually repeating what I just said again. So no, it's okay. It's very okay. Shit happens and we have to learn how to deal with it. So this is my way of dealing with it calmly and trusting myself that it's just not in me these days that I should really get fed up of these small obstacles that are coming in my way. So I'm not that kind of a person right now. So yeah, coming back to the major topic, the main topic of our video today, which is maturity. I'd say let's take the definition of maturity from the dictionary first, and let's put some light on it. So according to the dictionary, what maturity actually means is that progressing physically as well as experience wise in your life experiences. And if we talk about how common it is nowadays, I don't really think it's actually very common. It's actually very rare. This skill that we're talking about today, maturity, it's actually very rare nowadays. And I'm not just talking about the people of our generation, but the people who are supposed to be mature, who are actually, I'm not focusing on just some particular group of people, but there are people who are expected to run the country, not just the company but the country. And I don't think they are taking that mature decisions lately. So it is kind of a choice. Maturity is kind of a choice that you have to make after a certain age. एक एज आ जाती है आपकी जब आपको सीखना पड़ता है कि आप अच्छे डिसीजंस, बेटर डिसीजंस, कीपिंग एवरीवन इन माइंड अराउंड यू. क्योंकि इफ़ यू आर नॉट मैच्योर, तुम व्हाट यू टेंड टू डू इज़ you take decisions which are good for yourself, which you take decisions when you're angry, you take decisions when you're super happy, and that is now how it should be. If you're actually mature, before taking a decisions, उस चीज़ का पूरा एक SWOT analysis होना चाहिए कि उस decisions के if they are okay, तो हमारे आसपास से कहीं से ट्रेन जा रही है. And till the time I worked in this office, I never realized that there is a station nearby. Should we wait for the train to actually leave, or should we continue? I think it's about to leave. कितनी ही लंबी हो सकती है ना ट्रेन. So I think it's about to leave. And about to leave. So we were discussing that there are some people which are supposed to be mature, and it is kind of a choice. It is kind of a choice that you have to make after a certain age. कि आप इतने एज के बाद आपको बचपना छोड़ देना चाहिए. एंड क्योंकि आपको आसपास के सारे लोगों का ध्यान रखना, नॉट जस्ट योर सेल्फ. इफ़ यू आर बीइंग मैच्योर, यू आर नॉट जस्ट टेक डिसीजंस बेस्ड ऑन योर ओनली चॉइस एंड टेक डिसीजंस विच आर फॉर योर ओन गुड. एंड अगर आप मैच्योर हो, आपको कोई डिसीजन लेना है, उस चीज़ का पूरा एक SWOT एनालिसिस करोगे आप, एंड यू विल रियलाइज़ कि इफ़ दिस हैपन्स, how will it affect your parents, how will it affect your sibling, how will it affect your other half if you have any. So ये सारी चीज़ें सोचनी पड़ती हैं, and it is kind of a choice being mature, where I think that most of the people in our country, if not just in our country, around the globe actually, they don't realize that they have to start being mature, they have to start acting mature at least, because nobody is actually fully mature. Why? क्योंकि दिल तो बच्चा है जी, थोड़ा बचपना सबके अंदर रहता ही रहता है. डजेंट मैटर व्हाट एज यू आर, थोड़ा बचपना अंदर ही रहेगा. ओके, अब प्लेन भी जा रहा है, वाई? सबको आज ही ट्रैवल करना है, मतलब कर लो, इट्स नॉट अ बैड थिंग, बट नॉट राइट नाउ. आई एम मेकिंग अ वीडियो फॉर गॉड्स सेक. सो या, हाँ, दैट्स काइंड ऑफ अ चॉइस. तो आपको चूज़ करना पड़ेगा टू बी मैच्योर. ओके, सो बिफोर मूविंग ऑन, मैं आपको एक और चीज़ बता देता हूँ. लेट मी टेल यू वन मोर थिंग, that maturity and such skills doesn't come from people teaching you things. It comes from actually experiencing that lesson firsthand. You should be actually, why? Because I'm saying this on my part, and it is kind of actually me, because everyone around me gave me suggestions about everything that's gonna happen. मुझे सब कुछ बताया जाता था, तू ऐसे चल, तू ये सब किया कर, कि तू लाइन पे रहे, सब कुछ सही रहे. बट आई नेवर रियली टुक देम सीरियसली. ऑल आई वांटेड टू डू वाज टू एक्सपीरियंस. मैं ठोकर खा के सीखना चाहता था. बट ट्रस्ट मी, यू शुडंट बी लाइक दैट. इफ़ समवनस टेलिंग यू, दे हैव एक्चुअली एक्सपीरियंस दैट थिंग, एंड इफ़ दैट हैपन्स, अगर आपके आसपास कोई है जो आपको ये एडवाइस कर रहा है, विच इज़ very good, which is kind of a blessing actually, आपको सुन लेना चाहिए. On the other hand, I totally understand if there are people out there जो ठोकर खा के ही सीखते हैं, like me. cool, मैं कुछ नहीं कह सकता क्योंकि मैं भी ऐसे ही हूँ. so it's okay, आप ठोकर खा के सीखो, but you एक ही बार में सीख जाओ. एक ही गलती दोबारा मत करो, ठीक है? ये पॉइंट हमने डिस्कस कर लिया, which was very important मैच्योरिटी में. एंड ओके, अगर हम नेक्स्ट पॉइंट पर आएँ, सो आई वॉज टेलिंग यू दैट लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस से ही आप मैच्योर हो सकते हो. हाउ इज़ दैट पॉसिबल? ब्रेकअप्स टीच यू, तो योर ब्रेकअप्स टीच यू हाउ टू फाइंड लव बेटर, हाउ टू फाइंड अ बेटर person, how to realize what kind of a person suits you. That is what breakup teaches you. Similarly, if you have a failed startup in your resume, that have taught you how to not miss opportunities. There might, अगर आप startup कर रहे हो, there might have come opportunities in your way जो आप शायद मिस कर चुके हो, and you don't even realize. How to not miss opportunities, that's kind of one lesson that you will learn from a failure, from a failed startup. And actually कोई startup fail नहीं होता है. You just actually eventually learn how to do it better the next time. So these are some of the experiences. एक और मैं आपको अगर एक्सपीरियंस बताऊँ, फेल्ड फ्रेंडशिप्स. अगर आपकी किसी दोस्त से लड़ाई हुई है, या आपको कुछ किसी बंदे के बारे में रिसेंटली पता चला है दैट ही इज़ नॉट द काइंड ऑफ पर्सन दैट ही टेल्स यू ही इज़, you'll realize how to judge people better, how to know people better, how to understand them better. So nothing is actually a failure, it's just another way of learning something. It's kind of a lesson. So realizing this कि अगर आपके साथ कुछ भी बुरा हुआ है, realizing this कि ये जो चीज़ है, this should be taken as a lesson and not a failure कि आप ये चीज़ दोबारा नहीं कर सकते. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, अगर आपका स्टार्टअप फेल हुआ है, यू कांट जस्ट थिंक द फैक्ट कि आप यू आर नॉट एबल टू डू स्टार्टअप्स, आपके बस में नहीं है. इट्स नॉट दैट. टेक अ लेसन फ्रॉम इट. आपसे कुछ गलती हुई होगी जो वो चीज़ नहीं चली, आपने कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी मिस की होगी कि वो चीज़ नहीं चली, तो उसको ये मत सोचो कि अब ये नहीं हो सकता. दिस इज़ काइंड ऑफ द एंड ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. सो रियलाइजिंग दैट फैक्ट कि जो भी अभी आपके साथ हुआ है उससे एक लेसन सीखना, दैट्स मैच्योरिटी. एंड ये चीज़ रियलाइज़ करना इज़ काइंड ऑफ डिफ़िकल्ट, बट आप कर सकते हो. ऑल्सो आई वुड रियली लाइक टू टेल द टीनेजर्स नाउअडेज़ कि आपको लगता है कि आप मैच्योर हो चुके हो. द पीपल टीनेजर्स, सो आपको लगता है आप मैच्योर हो चुके हो, आपने काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें देख ली हैं, बट ट्रस्ट मी दैट्स नॉट ट्रू. अभी बहुत कुछ आने वाला है. सो द पीपल ऑफ दैट एज ग्रुप, I really want to motivate you to not give up. There are people who give up very easily, so I don't want you to give up. And also the people who are my age or maybe more, a lot more, तो अगर आपको ये चीज़ का बुरा लगता है, that you've not that you do not feel that mature, or you're mature, or you do not want to act your age, it's okay. It will actually eventually come to you. You'll realize that there's a limit to all the bachpanas that we have been doing all our lives. There's a limit to that, and after that limit you can't just act kiddish. आपको मेच्योर होना ही पड़ता है. You have no other option, you have no other choice. So it will eventually come to you. So just keep learning, keep experiencing things. Never take failure as a full stop. It is just a lesson that you have to do better next time, way better next time. So before I wrap up this video, I'll leave you with a thought today कि I know बचपना is very satisfying. बहुत अच्छा लगता है बच्चों वाली हरकतें करना. Try to limit that kiddish behavior to your only close circle. That's what I do. कि अगर हाँ मुझ में भी बचपना होगा, थोड़ा बहुत होगा. आई एम ऑल्सो वेरी I was thinking of using the word naughty, but this might go in a different direction if I use that. So maybe बहुत शैतान था, and I think मैं अब भी हूँ. तो मुझ में भी है बचपना, but trust me, it's now confined to a limited circle of people. मैं सबके सामने नहीं होता. And if I am taking a major decision, a big decision which might affect the people around me, I'm actually doing SWOT analysis, a big SWOT analysis these days, because there's a big decision coming in my life right now. So yeah, it will eventually come to you. तो बचपना रखो अपने पास. I'm not saying कि आपको बचपना छोड़ देना चाहिए, but लिमिट कर दो उसे ना. हर जगह बचपना नहीं हो सकता. कुछ चीज़ों में आपको मैच्योरिटी दिखानी पड़ती है, कुछ चीज़ों को आपको एक बेटर वे में हैंडल करना चाहिए. सो विद दैट सेड पीपल, आई विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. एंड okay, I forgot to ask you to subscribe, because I'm not saying that enough in my videos, so people are just watching the videos and they're bidding goodbye. वो नहीं होना चाहिए. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, ta-da.